106.3 I want to hear of it. Well, in 24 minutes, it will be 7 in the morning. Adom 106.3 FM. If you sure 104.5 FM, Lusaka said, where they are, bro. Yeah, we any say, ye, now him say, I am church and ye do so. Yeah, COVID-19, no, and call you. And we are meeting Honorable Kwajima Menu, Health Minister. Says here COVID-19, no, we have to live with it. Boss, live with it, live with it. My telly, live with it. If you have to say, why if it? Would you do? If you have a quarter of a clue, Jabusia and Hube here say, you better your so near man, she said, dear go quite soon in you be so. Where's the see Ghana Yatra over 5,000 cases? Well, an education so community spread. You be the home come up. Community spread. Ente humbe here se brano. She say dey go akwan so no obedi so. Na wo dey abo wa homban, na wo dey abo foforo homban. Yeah, nose mask no e hye no. Anya wonko awunti o. Nipa no ote won chan nti, ono so ka ho. Anya wonko awunti. Nipa nan ya mo trotro yi mu amutie me. So bia hye nose mask a mo so then so ba ko bi wa ka ni mu ono wa ya so bra che. Ono ye Sinifam Musino Wana pesa wo shasia. Start strong. The perfect breakfast. The morning na ebebwa. A Nescafe 3 in 1. Sometimes all we need to do is appreciate the simple things in life and be content knowing that with hard work and motivation, we will achieve greatness. Today is a new day filled with new opportunities, new hopes and new possibilities. Hard work and motivation. Here's how we understand. You need to take a step back, take a deep breath and have a cup of new Nescafe. Sweet and creamy. We are not what's it town. Yeah, baby, correct. It all starts with a Nescafe. Yamfa and Cheche non so who said there be Carex. Woman Ghana Medical Association Akabuma. Brown, ya this Cheche na ya de Ebreo. Kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Dole yogurt. More. I need more. Alive soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. Magdan Shipping Company Limited, your total logistics partner. Petrosol. A delightful experience. Holland Life Assurance. We've got you covered. Amadaruma. And a penny kind. Take social distancing seriously. Brofunu abanu aye kan social distancing no a kire se montetentem mamun fofa so me kabra your secondary school Winneba senior high Winneba secondary na your security man be a friend separate and adwono aye wie prep no se obana school for no kora bon no ewo mu no man and member no omo mienu classrooms ho dining hall ho a shared ho ne ade a odru ho two torchlight no I say separate na say montetentem. And you need to separate. Take social distancing seriously. Ehu hia papa. Ejumem a chrome. When I'm chrome crown, I be bang on to do. Catch them say bra conchain kakra conchain. Do not gather in groups. No. Do not gather in groups. I won't throw away my number on my phone. So my laptop is and then the power 9, not my phone. And yet, it's not advisable. Avoid eating or drinking in public places. Avoid eating or drinking in public places. Now, Ghana Tourism Authority released by say a drinking spot in a bus near the day. And you may one for Sabe Boom and tourism minister. I can't pay. Say drinking spot to restaurant to Nesanimane Dinano Yemie Yatum. Say restaurant Yama Pine say 1 year Jumakran or Bekoha. Adiana no ta. The Papa Mua Tavino for the Kufina Kudi. Yamia a tram no Monsani at the Ninano. The Srew Trasso. Well, Timmy, so take social distancing seriously. Do not gather in groups. Avoid eating or drinking in public places. Yeah, the Carex and the Ghana Medical Association are saying, Rebia, woman, Carex kills 99% of bacteria, say yes to life. Dole yogurt, more, I need more. Alive soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. Magdan Shipping Company Limited, your total logistics partner. Petrosol, a delightful experience. Holland Life Assurance, we've got you covered. Yamayokrono reference am telephone shiemu na amayokrono dwam tinani ura Samuel ofusampofo eno kasai na ensam no doso ni nyina no point to the fact say according to NDC no abanyi etu anamon bia bon homodeni bia say afia ya boto no obewiem na in fact to stress their point, and one share the data of registration akoso Ghana card registration, region by region, number of registered Ghanaians. And say I can say one more said to me aka one card Ghana card no asam na making. Na one to two hono na say nipa ya register woman no. Anyone when you know almost a card. Me did say be a cramp woman no can say what register. And so on sanka or card no. No so say sana moya na moa. Abai no air faso. Na essence say one of the requirements for the new voters register or register and it says say enye birth enye passport wa. Na a Ghana card. And at the end of the day, no, nipa bebre, and omunya kwenya, and twabano. Bakunso, omu bosso, a kwaya, and I for Musa ya wamajumain, or Musa and cry ha. Nanka, and your bonnet, I bomb trimwa, and this for SU, Sanka Asha and cry hey. Nanka bia, ya the animator Eastern region. Oh, Nanka Volta, Nanka Central, Nanka Western, oh, Nanka ya de Cosro Hosa, Copem, at Tifidumantem. And so much say, yes, sir, you might not see a real craha. And I buy the bone trimpo. Say, and mia, and this is 4 strongholds, no. One medical acquire registration, and to one of my name chair, Tifidumantem, acquire honeymoon dienna, and sana, ne crano. One more bam me able to say, a prayer man temwa, one musu say, ho, MPP my a strongholds. It's as a bedroom sabrano. Now by no crown for dear for fra, ebetimi aboa a register nipa dodoɔ yɛde aboa MPP ɛne aban a wɔte so yi ɛno nso wɔn kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ kwan pa ɛno nso so wɔn kyerɛ sɛ wɔn ahunu pa na mame tumi bo ase na membɔ nsɛm a ɛno a chairman Ofosu Ampofo ɛde tu dwa no ebi na afei yɛwie a yɛbɛhwehwe nkɔmmɔ ansa na yakɔ yɛnim. Well, yɛnhwɛ mehwɛ sɛ mesa bɛka ɛne no na matumi aba but no wɔn kyerɛ sɛ saa register yi a aban pɛ sɛ ɔsesɛn yɛde ato aba mpɛn bebree 2 elections yɛde ato bɔlɛm sɛ voice no ayɛ ma menkɔ na membɔ mewie a yɛba bɛtoa so.
NIA's total reliance on birth certificate and passport as the main registration requirement for the Ghana card is problematic and will lead to a situation where about 76% of Ghanaians will have no ID document to establish their identity. These persons will have to go through a cumbersome process of obtaining a sworn oath before they can be registered for Ghana card. A process we have maintained will slow down the registration process and disenfranchise a lot of Ghanaians. Consequences of NIA's over-reliance on the sworn oath option. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, you will recall that right from the outset of the Ghana card registration exercise, we cautioned the NIA that their choice of breeder documents, i.e. birth certificate and passport, coupled with their own method for the instant issuance of card, will lead to a snail-paced registration process. However, the TEFA-led NIA rejected this good counsel and decided to take a gamble in the hope that the sworn oath option, which per best practice is supposed to be employed to register a very small percentage, normally around 5% of the population who do not have any form of identification, could cure the problem we had foreseen. As predicted, the Ghana card registration process by the NIA, the process which commenced with a pilot late in 2017 and was supposed to be completed in 1 year, has been able to register only 11,062,055 out of the estimated 19 million Ghanaians who are 15 years and above, who are eligible. Even more bizarre is the fact that out of the 11 million Ghanaians who have been registered, only 7,074,048 have. Should the Electoral Commission decide to embark on a new voter registration, what it means is that all these people who don't have NIA card will have to either go and swear affidavit or wait until some people are registered and guarantee them. An exercise which is going to be clustered and which, according to them, is going to take about 8 days or so. So, in essence, you realize that at the end of the day, several people will be frustrated, do not get the opportunity. And if you look at the figures, you realize that the percentages increases in the NDC strongholds. And it is a very worrying sign. Deliberate attempt to suppress votes and ensure that as many people as possible are unable to make themselves available. Again, considering the time limitation imposed on the nation by COVID-19, this is not only impracticable, but simply defies common sense and will surely disenfranchise a lot of eligible voters if the EC is allowed to proceed on this rather dangerous and perilous path. Ladies and gentlemen, with us, that the inclusion of the existing voter ID card in the registration requirement for the friends from the media, it does appear that the president is not concerned about the future of Ghana, its peace, stability, and the survival of democracy. Prior to becoming president, Nana Akufo-Addo had presented himself as a paragon of excellence where democracy and rule of law are concerned. However, since becoming a president, all his actions have unfortunately proven that was all about talk and not substance. Having failed to deliver on these promises to the people of this, having failed to deliver on his promises to the people of this country, and seeing defeat staring glaringly at him, he is in conjunction with the Jim Mensa-led EC and Ken Atefa-led NIA are desperately scheming to rig the 2020 general elections and hold on to power at all costs. Not even the unusual circumstances we find ourselves in, which
Adom FM.
Well, indeed, Chairman Samuel Fosuampofo and Enra, amongst other things, Wade and Sam Dodonwa, Tuja. Well, indeed, in some no. Yanyandu MPP for the end so, but Enra concerns are NDC for addressing on one, the new voters register, and two, the work of the National Identification Authority. Yabajuchi ho enkomo anapay na wahye so de amame. So over 19 million registered Ghanaians on the Ghana card. Eno. Mobile 11 million per. And I me I register omo. And now almost said to me I come on card. There's a card in the do one a man for answer and kind. Well, Enra Mitier, Professor Tefa of the NIA. But I no me the better later on. But some Saka MPP for any year na fe me de sa asembisano e de ato manim na fe yahwe. But so Saka o Ghana card that's fine. But e bia na wo so kodi line o sori anapa sori ahamachi e kodi line mu sanka. On sabetimi aka o Ghana card. So on sanka ya. And also another conversation. And before raising issues, several of them, ebisa questions. Na, and also so ebisa womo. Wamu bisa NDC for near a what current voters register imwa. Enti wamu pese yebesi sano. And also so. These are questions, but I care about why Adom 106. And I only say, no. Yeah, Conwanes and Aposona. Yeah, the one said that Emma Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Now, for Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex foam and sucreas and Aposona Society General. SG Ghana, the future is you. Agbeve Hebel Center. Why are the SFC? Wamo Ekra Yasene. And naposo yede ebrewo but enra Peter Macmenu our campaign manager of the NPP and so address MPP for one more press conference
to respond to the main track of the NDC's accusations. But it is important that we make it clear that the MPP is and cannot be part of any conspiracy whatsoever to rig the 2020 election. The NDC has sat together to plan and have finally come out with the details of their fake conspiracy theory against the NPP. A fake conspiracy theory does not become a credible conspiracy just because an opposition that is afraid of losing a free and fair contest says so. We want the people of Ghana to ask the NDC this simple but important question. So what is it about the 2012 voters register that the NDC is so determined to protect it from being replaced? What is in that register and the voter management system, VMS, that the NDC NDC is threatening civil war if it is changed for a better one. Why is the NDC placing its entire electoral fortunes on that controversial register, which was compiled under their term in office? Please remember that this is the first time ever that any opposition party in Ghana has complained so loudly against the compilation of the new voters register. Under President Rawlings, the EC compiled a new register, and the NPP in opposition supported it. Under President Kufuor, the EC compiled a new register, and the NDC then under John Atta did not complain. In 2012, under President John Atta the EC set out to compile a new register, and the NPP did not only welcome it, we were constructive in pushing for futures to enhance its credibility. It is that same register that the Supreme Court ruled that it was wrong for the EC to accept the National Health Insurance Card as an ID source for registration in 2012. We set out in opposition to campaign for that discredited register to be changed. The NDC government opposed our campaign. It was not done. We all know. But we did what any responsible political party must do. We organized ourselves and prosecuted our campaign, and the people of Ghana gave us the highest number of parliamentarians and the highest margin of nearly 1 million votes in the presidential elections. Our focus since then has been to justify the confidence that the Ghanaian people repose in us by fixing the economy that the NDC brings, and with Akufo-Addo giving the people a caring and decisive leadership which John Mahama is not capable of delivering. The NDC National Chairman said this afternoon that the NPP set out to rig the 2020 general elections immediately we took office in 2017. Well, Ghanaians know better. The focus of President Akufo-Addo and his government upon assuming office was to fix the economy that President John Mahama and his NDC rigged in their 8 years in office. It remains our focus to manage the crisis caused by COVID-19 in a way that the Ghanaian economy and society will come out of this crisis stronger and more united. The plan of NDC is nothing more than to fabricate grounds for chaos, disunity, and fear. They are doing this because they do not have a good candidate and a good story to tell the voters in December. It is on record. It is that record of a rigged leadership under John Dramani Mahama that the NDC must be afraid of bringing back to face the Ghanaian people for their votes, and not the fake conspiracy to rig elections against them. The NDC must be reminded that the NPP, as an opposition party, beat the NDC in 2016 and by the largest margin ever in Ghana's history against an incumbent president in Ghana's history.
Well, it's all Peter McMenu and Ra. One of Suzuka Mupa. Everyone at Transi. Like we are.
CJ. If you allow so the one I can no pay say is a weekend no na say so still you can do something when you want to do something.
Oh then you not see macra to me the name be.
Oh lovely.
Simakra name be no.
Simakra to me Sunday ma be. Ehu here all work and no play. They do baby na no pay no wape baby dey egu kakra.
Akuya no out in kwa from you nka. Dem kumni nifa. And
I say obi akache o say ade we dem menye o hye ne ho so mo ntumi anhye o mo so. NDC ni MPP nyina. We ye nyina ye nim say
ya wa yariem yi kwa mo me ntwe na yare free so ya ma no say.
Onyo mo ana ombeka he.
Om say afede o maties wo say ye.
Say omo ntumi kura antwen.
Wo say ye.
But one point ni say CJ say ye ntumi anhu saa yade we ne pomasibre. Ye ntumi anhu yade we pomasibre. Na say ye jejai na ye ka say ye be ye registration ye ka say ye beto aba ye ka say ye nkoye nnwuma so se ne ye ne dada no a na ye hu niema ne ye yakoto aba ayi mpanimfo a woni yanim muso a moti opposition muso no you have a responsibility as a responsible opposition parties no all the other political parties no say aban we COVID-19 ko na ye ko no aban we ni enim say yato aba no e de tumi ama won eso ni omu ye nyina no obia was taking it so we opposition party o so we aban a wotimo ye hwe ni obia ye sije ye ntumi nkonko gina ye ntumi nkoto santen say ye koto aba de amamo abedi ye so na woni e beda ka asakesiem abeda ka asakesiem wo abra ye hu ntoto ye papa mudi agu akwanfo sa yade wo abra ye hu ne mu opposition fo Mosumo yadi abuama yadi na koso no. They will shout and shout and shout. Yes, we nim near there.
Ne me wa kra ne say na wotwe ye abato ho nsem free abebo mu matisi ade. Kamia say fa no nyina no. And somewhere for COVID-19 hu de nyina ya cha. And let's say
because CJ the number, looking at the number and looking at where we are going, no. She say, oh, ye real bibia. Debbie, we are not done. Debbie, ye me yo. If you say,
and then last week Friday, na hey, Omega so ye peak, ye drew a peak level. And you can say, yeah, cases in the crowd, and now the Baba Kahumbio.
Evans Mensa won interviewer on a doctor in Siasa, ye. A doctor in Siasa, a man on Comtabu be fire, dear no, send ye besia colonies and so beba, will tell you 10 no, and I say yes, I tears and for on fast interview into 1 year shady. On fast tape no. Any interview ni bibia no
and some of Dr. Siasa are kind
ye ni CJ unim epidemiology so more my yes epidemiology said then no they know what is going to happen and they know near yade we baby a ense say yedru ye nruo enu nti nei no baby a yedru no mutumi fa ebra ye hyase the number of cases e de hyase 2 no asa abre no near omukama yakoma to ye yem ni say eye imported cases. But omoka say nyina na omoka mani besi say drew community spread no a na ehu ye drew community spread no ya say wo si je wuti mi suro etoda na kule mimi ye program na kule gina me so a kule is supposed to help as a producer so na me ne preso and na so that ye say because mi suro no wo so mi suro mo ka kire ye say e drew community spread ne dia ene na ye hu and we are there. Numbers no say ne esi kono numbers no baby e kono ne ye humpo ni o sije numbers no ne ye de akire yen ne ye de akire yen ne ye hu e na ye ye te ye ka mo e no kura na ehu some one company yeah whatever say figures amode ba ye data ye amode ba ne ye no kura nipa 500 nipa 1 e ne nya yade ni bi e no watumi dia man nipa 500. So, say, ye person nipa jin ye kanu edi say, asama ye ken, hu a. Na se wujai, na mo kwa tina TV so kwa tina nkosi nkonwa, ebe ye say, na we wiem na and so what? We wiem and so what? We don't need hey, mummy anhwe, kwanya ye befa so, na se say enwuma mu from nano and some Dr. Bedusa Akodia Kaye, from Dr. Patrick Kuma Kaye, from minister and some of Kenya say human. Afuna ye so send ye sit here enti no yen hwe no ne anya ho hyehyeye yenim sa aba no constitution o mayimra kun ne de ye adwuma no constitution ya nto aba no a enye yie constitutional crisis na beba but ye mumma yen hwe ntoto niema bi ansa na samo ba so na mbe kansem na cha we mumma kasem a ye cha say yaso CJ ye pese ye ti bibia enye we be wiem na we be yesei na we be yesei eno de yate abre from 1992 we be wiem no yate afibia we wiem o me na CJ nyabote me na wo hu sa abre no me kona me kwotwe na wo radio kitwa bi nesi na so udu won mo say me do am say maybe you na say na cause akwa na wiem mina na to enu ono wanko school
why na wiem
na mabisa no ehwa na wiem o se akwa akoko no we wiem akwa ye wiem na mabisa ansa na wo ye den no we o se ade no ye bobo no na ba bi ekọ afedi ase enu ma nyina to abani bi ama no wo hu from day one ye na nanu mu nyina so mo perception no ye wiem na ye wiem ni nyina so na at the end of the day ye hu ni onwe ne enti nano mamu mfa saa wo be wiem no e me shift your attention from saa de we eni omo se na ya na ko eni aye we enti ye de ye nsuro mu nsuro a ye se agro ne fam enti mo de say ye new register ne ye de beko say ye old register ne ye de beko
because 1.3 million egu school nti ye hia easy
ye denya
ba be boy ma ye wiem
register no say ye be ye registration limited one no see ye be ye ni denyu still no enye old register and send yete ne yede be konti no omumnya dede no ne yempe COVID-19 no ho asem
and ampe watchma dwene asi asem bi so in fact and the main issue that jumedi so the issue of community spreader na ye ka ho asem ya Dr. Nsem asem o kan we need to go back and revisit it because if 10% of the population may be infected, and out of the 10% of the population, 80% may not show signs or symptoms at all, and 5% of them will be very ill. Now, numbers as you see a year grown one. Not to say,
Wunim, near your campusian say, ya dear, she ya dear sheshe ye ho wa ya de bi wo ho ya me hu say diabetes ni hypertension ya de bi emu aturu asthma sheshe mo ho a wo na so wa so be survive no enti no nipa be so mo be survive no ye ne immune system no eno no din a wotumi ene ya de di okon ene wonu betumi se niema nke wo se yadwene ho no CJ 3 days ago many doctors omugufie me sa COVID-19 we no ne aspect bia no me pesa me so hobi eni sika sam ni bibia na wunim say yadru community spread ya ye kan na wo be ye ho ayi a enka say ne ye hia ne say yadru sa bere no a doctor say ye adwuma nurse say ye adwuma ye hia mo enso wunim say from October last year nra me kan say from October last year doctors are wonum fram no ne wakwaje ntete ye wa me no ne no mo baaye wo baaye so be three exams wo baaye se introduction fee esika ya jeje unim se so be ye internship e wo kolibu ase ya uchi $1,000 onu student no a waba no a won share
apprentice ye no
ansa na introduction fee yo betua ni nyina e wo ho no mo doctors ni titifie from last year October for it wo and omo so a omo aba recently omo so nke wo say omo ye omo nyina gufie yanya nhihye ye bia prepare say bibisia this is how ye ni doctors and nurses ni nipa na e wo fie ne be ye adwuma se bibisia enwuma mu san na niema beko ne ye tia ne say sa 600,000 anasa say siga na say
600 million
stimulus package na ye say ye de ma no
ye de ma SMEs
eno ne ate wuti SMEs no so ni good afo mo sika no se ye ka se ye cha 2000 kura na say
anhwa obinya
see ye see ye be cha mo obi anya bia
because you need data
you need data enti no aniema here what say ye fire de we hu no e wo mu ani abe press conference ni aka bi is good mumma ye hu update no say na ekọ but ade na spread it hwe obo ase de ye si ye CJ obo ase hye ase with their number he no maduro Shankran say nkran ya yeti ati atese ahafo say ahafo bunu region for kra de omo so ache omo de eti aka ahafo enra na omo se ba akoso
and say aka 2 regions and 3 regions
bunu east Savannah region and I have for so the and said then ya confirmation.
It is aka 3 regions. Ah, we do recording case bia.
And no kra no ye nwie na hwehwɛ mu o ma take samples bia e wo say ye hu ni nyina enti community spread in there CJ we are there. And na nipa no so a woni omo ka asem no beto nne nipa bi ka cho say media minyi ni say yade ne wo ho. Media minyi ni say yade ne wo ho. Enti no education no wo say ye manipa no say it's true. Say ni ebi kan say moma ye hu nipa na enya yade ne CJ say me nya yade bi na wo de me beto abonte a stigmatization so set in enti education e wo say ye ekofom emu obi a te say ade na ehu no because ade we ye mfiri ho a me nka nkire me maame a menim say maame wo pressure say enu akọ ne kona ko gina ho na kokoto aba me nka nkire no ma onkompo me nka nche mbusuani bi oyare se ebra so nti kona koto aba wa abra minim so onya yade ni bi obewuo dabi enti no onbehwe amia ye ne ehia ne ewia ya ne fata omumi anya ne sa enya sa de a ya yete ye adwen se ebedi omachi wo enema na nro omo sha ase gragragragra na omo ye no ho
so omo sha ase se ndie se ya ne amompa ya omde ebekọ no a na yare no so atwetwe yebo ma nga o so na me ne honorable Yaboabia Samoa Director of Communications for the MPP meneno and twetwe enkomo na botem nka ne mo akwaba
meto nka pa
meto nka che
meto nka so se studio ho monia pede mo maye nyamo ye manyo semu kuku mete mo ase dodo
honorable wa wo hwe se na ya de be akukuru koyi a afredie voters register and we person wo wiemu and we ye say and say Tese amanyo fo mbese anya den honorable
oni ma men kan play ewi ase etese trotro e wo driver me boa
no kre
be bia ni pa bebo chinku bia o mu didwa o mu tu kwan o mu wo baabi o mu timi kase mi kuru ni no sebi driver ni no ejina di odakuru na no ye krokitwa yo hene abusuan de nisi kesia na se ukono ke mami nke bi se de Kenya emra na chire ni pa obeda no ezo bi nda no a ka no into my way no emra mai constitution e de tiano se bi na nadu onti ho ni peso onti ho abusuan oti ho emra na chire ni se sa pempensui ye de wasi ha na emom ye de wasi ho no ebiri bi bedura obre beso se de beto awso ana ibesi ufom ejina fra enti de ye no sebi eyemra enti nka menya nka neya ya de ya tie simu ya ekoi nka ye MPP ya manyo sem ya ne ya ye no ho adwuma ya manyo sem ya be ya ne ya de no ho adwuma se ya de no ho adwuma no eso kire bibia na ya manyo sem so kire se enipa no da no se bi mra na de ni besi ho se onwen wombo ye ho ban onhwe yiye nanso adwuma so na wo ye yi ne chi no embiri bi bedua emra kwan so e wo si bi kase ye to awso ana yi fi ufom e kwan ba ko fe e ne kasa ye to aba chiri ebuyu ene chiri ebuyi ndinka ye MPP die ke benya sa de we kwan kemma
na se NDC for na atwetwe ko ho anamboa
fedi ye chita no ada dipete te sha asie no NDC for na yo mo se sebi ye amanyo sem chese de bia no ye te president nkan so mu nya kwan me nti o mo nka nti o mo sha asie no o mo ye ni se owura jo mama omde sebi omumra sebi jofuni chasie de bia ban be bia omani so na o se nka aban ye ni sei nka kofa nkrofo free China bra sebi e beti omunka se omunso omukondo so mbebo kuro no ho ban enso ni omu na ti aban ya gitu mu fefefe ye na omudi nkika akiri no mi ne se omuma mpani wokochiche aduane no mi aduane hu no duka de wo so akoti covid just war tea buying from you so the near visit or to sour yadia. So I say yadia na yabri. And so if you are in Kent, you be a fire deal. It will be no a failure of a sort of the boss. Not what has yet a such a mine. Or so then why check Ponotiho, no different estimate, no casa. Me no can say, then so if you have the fun, than it, I know she.
My honorable I been battle me misao. Everybody come on Ankasangaso. So. But as a focused government, sir, Modi BBS Maniswa, would you allow the minority to drag you into Juma Modi Simenu say where the Omoya cry, yes, Yadia no one, dear C, and so near minor and opposition by Kabiano, Nadia Betty. It means that you are not focused, honorable.
It was a very, very difficult decision. Nankana meboa ukai se ebisi ye man penye be de akire okuru ni mba omia ekasai ebe okasai no Ghana fu pi ka se unya ya nkawan o no akomapem se mon fanche ni enkunkwa ye ni enti saa nhihye ni nyina ye ni da se afi de o manu adwo aye kɔ ye ni na enrade no se o yonku betina simply so akachi wiase afa na nyina sɛ oyɛ frɔmfo wawia ade enye no kwe na ade na wo ka sɛ wawia no nso no ɛyɛ ade ɛyɛ mmara kwan so a sɛ de tie bia pa no twa no sɛ me ka yɛ no yɛ mmara kuro yi de bibi besi na wa nkasa kura sɛ de Jerry enye wo nkoa na wo kurom ha wo tie ade na si wo me nana baabi titecheduma sia wonu de anhwa de da obeke no ene odi kwa asum na beye ne nwanwa se ne nana etinkran no ni aban akwa apam se bobo bebo Ghana kro no kokromotie kro no na manya no se enye no kura ni ambashi no oh baby on the fire ne de na ken e o si ya no asemom kan no aye atrokesiye eye bosirim kakesiye eye bosirim kabi o ma hyeda se o mo ya Ghana be pusu na se tiasia anya adwuma wo anyiwa no na Ghana pusu a ekobo ni wiana na afi wo beka te da bi
okay tira se eno na mama ya madwene se wo mo wia mo de no a kwan bia so mo so be reply that's how come we had both press conference
yeti kase be bi o mo de fa no no ni ehunu si ya amoa ye ho anhia on kwan so a ombe hayen enye de bia na o ti se sebe wo mo ye bibisa yetimi gina so ye na so hwa putupuru na yesi entai sisa
okay
na we no ho mpupoye no ededi sa no na wo se yigina ye na so ntem na make say na nya de a ye fa no boko so enye hwe ye nkoye bi o mo ye bi nti ye nkoye bi
okay
enye yesubanya
okay
enye yesubanya so o mo ye nti ye na emom no ekwan a mo fa so ensem a mo kaaye ensem kese a mo ka de didi sebe oman ahye yensa ase eye NI abaya so ye ya NDC for NPP for ye baaye no ye mpa yo ye dwuma NI NDC for NPP for
okay honorable IB ye beba the substance of Nsem no ankasa but minia Sami Jemfi National Communication Officer of the NDC so abeka ye ho ahoma no so mama na kwa ba na fe ye chance ye free wo Nsem wo rezi ye no and then I can come back to you
yare mama na no pesa mama na me Sami Jemfi ntoto mane ye Sami de mi hia wade no ho na mi nto anamon echi no ye nyakwan ne na betra de mo aye anopai na obia peso otie ye kakra no na entoto mane de ye so so no pe yare me sira wo
sane be ya nkomo no eni beda ho
honorable ya de din
maybe
Mr. Fose wo pese mi ni obi ya no na adaje wo ho a meba na wo mfre mi nyina ahoma so nkase wa fre obi fofo se me ne meto mane
enya so long as I sit here enya to mane we can na sem we wi a we so aka ne de na pe enya mu nyina akwa enya to mane
ka o ka wi a mo mfre ni obi bi ka mo ma me nka mi wi a mo mfre no
me ba chawo
misrew pa
honorable IB wo be gina so ama me na ya sadie wadaroma misrew with all due respect IB
thank you
very much. Sammy,
Ni ni samo ko ni nso me
Yes, CJ.
Adwuma yɛ ni Sammy apo bɔkɔ de
Onyame adom.
yɛde nyame ase well I'm not raising issues as to niama hu a pointing to the fact say aban epese will reggae this year's election. What are your issues, Sammy?
Evacho, more than regional so kaka and Yenya or Kasama MPP Nana Nugusua or Kasa. I think it wouldn't spoil anything if you allow him to finish like he asked you. Senabea, you see between a kind of Senabea. At least any banter. So,
Sammy, I have given you.
You've placed him on the line for a long time. It is only fair that he complaining that it is not necessary for any us to have any banter on the issue.
Okay.
Then after that we can talk.
Okay. So, from my production team, and this is the decision. Good. Wadaruma, production team any decision. Say bema we are na fe mene samin so atwaso. Are you okay with that? Okay, so more issues I'm raising just after NDC4 press conference. Na fe mama kwan na fe also Fatuja. You are asking what is in this current register ntia NDC4 Esro say MIN Sano amongst other things. Honorable IB.
Jeremy Tese Mutgana 48. Yam penny, Emma NDC, Enfa, Efichi, Emeshe, Encomodada, na COVID by. Me come yet, yes, but I'm seeing that Jamie Yanon. And you have seen NDC for purchase, register, Fessiha, Yen Yatrasa Ancomono. Yatrasa Ancomono Chese, answer na COVID beba. The near dear him Ghana, MPP NDC register. And I need him. Yes, here per month. If you 2012 near pre-register mono. Almost chinchinia that done 2012. Sabi anywhere grass in a Supreme Court. Ye busaye na aye bloated. Ye ninaye kaya farijan or CD Pacro Chum Diaman on it. April 500,000 or Cobayan 700 or Cofaban or double names granny wood. Register if 2012 Nessie aye bloated. Ye this uncommon ma ye see yet. Opposition yesi ye pet fofo yaba abemu yesi ye pet fofo ye position no ejina de ejina ye nsesaaye ya no dem pepepe na emom no sa ankomo no the NDC for also mti ase ne se enye nkomo a obetimi atwa COVID abo na wabedi sa ankomo no atsa nkomo na sesa che se COVID asesa bibia COVID asesa bibia ama sa ankomo no omudi ni wo ho no se obi behwem na aye titile nkomo enti Dear Nkomo idea him say. Nkomo idea him say ne say. Emra kwaso. Said ye bia December 7, 2020. E was here to aba. Ya antuaba. Said January 2021. Asemo ebisino eni enyan. Obi beka se na eni ade na montra se na de ebisi bia na nsi na COVID ankwe. Eno e na wosi ebusa ye ho. COVID yimu ya asesa ya bra ntimi nya hwi MPP ntimi nya ye primary ntimi nya hwi amanyo papia ntimi moche nkui edie kwan ye be faso a ye beto aba 2020 December ebe bo nipa no ho banya ya de nti atisi. That is the only question on the table. Na sa asembisa no e wo se ye nyina ye si ya amanyofo ni nyina ye dum isi Emma isi kwan Emma isi dwini na wotimi ya nhihye ya isi betimi abekire yen se kwan se no mefa so abo obia ho ban se be ya abato no be ya akono se mo starting mo program na mo ka no abato kwa ye beba na enya akono se mekwa akọ to santene mayare die na obeka che Ghana ni se wo mra nhihye ni se bo modern to aba December 2020 na ubetimi to aba December 2020 I was ne isi ye ho adwuma na nipa ne yamu nhihye ne se isi ye ne ho adwuma ya de ebeka no asemba akopɛ de dapono so wo firi hɔ kwa enkomoda da se register mo no se register dada ni ne nyina nipa ho adwuma ni ne nyina bebo chenku se dada no de ya e wo so twere nipa 1.2 million din e she register no saa nipa 1.2 million sabi obaka so de 1.2 million penti omo bayana uria e wo so ye exhibition na nipa 12 for 13 million na wo register na so sei no omo so behwe saa ampa so omu din wo ho a na saa nipa no omo behwe register na omo bayana enunti se dada se munu obebo nipa ho ban abo ho ka enti kwan ya obefa so abo nipa 1 million ho ban no saa kwan na obetimi afa abo 2 million ho ban
okay
enti e wo se ejai isi na wotimi kire yen se bo so mi nsianse num ya akai e kwan be na ebefa so ye nyina ye de adwen pa ebeboa ama ye mra pon na bam se December wo se eto aba na ye tata isi ye mani nye nhyiamu ye bon wo ye krono ye bon din boni ni ade a ide na asumdie na ba ma san hyehyeye no aba enna ye gina bre nti ye de isi be ye bia obetinya boni pa ho ban so me ye 1 million so me ye 10 million na ye timi asiesi ye ho atimi atwe din akoto aba boni bia nka obia nkoto covid etwa mu no isi timi ye foaso ye bedi akiri
okay.
Every single Indian I ban a Nina register so. Ejina Yajuma Paya yeso. Ejina Kra Yakra man. Ejina Kendi Sunko. A Kendi Yakudru. Yenya Yahya man.
Okay.
A Nina said for the any feature. I'm a Ejina Breno.
Okay.
Ejina Breno.
My next question will be Ghana card no on account here will be.
Yeah, the parliament, Omujo, Manumsa, Womumpe, Omkakacha, Omunko for some more money. And when you want to make me a media. And then what you want to uncrow for your Ghana card. And so Ghana card, Iba, Mumpe.
But and Honorable Ahmed Banda, raise issues about a Juma NIA for 1 year. And Kwanya deliberately, according to him, share registration as a one cry. Nanka ne papa mu anka efin kan nanka bia ye central na say eastern region nanka ye de kwasoro ho na esanse mo pese mo ye registration no mo hyase every strongholds of the NDC enti mo hyase efin kan na mo ho so ekoto aso every atifi no mantem se na be yanka kran be duru mo strongholds no na yakran fidie foforo de aba am betimi de register ni padodo no in your favor
oni bibi e fe na nansisem Kwakwa Nancy NDC amanyon Kwakwa Nancy sem na omoto no sabe ombeka che o se NIA na na dudan kwakufu ado ne dano NIA tuka na na dudan kwakufu ado ne droba NIA faha na na dudan kwa ne ti o sebe ya obi na ni esi adwuma kese adwuma so na wo ye no wo kwotwere din ne ato aba ama no abra wonye adwuma bia ye da chi nyina ne se na na do na ye NIA na watu no boat na asiase hu se ha de ofa ha NDC fo mienu pe na ha de NPP fo du na wo beto aba nti abato eno ano no sado ano no de anko om ntia ban mu a 2012 register na ye om dia no om si chinchini a mi ensisa no ye de koto aba no 2012 om wi amu no ye ko Supreme Court Supreme Court ka che ense abato no enyina electoral commission so enyina register no so ejina wan kasa omodin bo e polling station so to Ghana fo jina afo na Ghana fo go home no mse afi ni ati agronat in 2016 no na register no ye ni nye ho almost na net abam ntom ko chini di register na fa he 2016 ye hu and na he fa no de fa 2012 ye hu e de no mo ye register no a and then chinchini agise sa register no ye hu as 2016 no yen ye adwuma ye pe assembly catch Ghana for e ma to Ghana for tim no mo gina simpi so ate o mo sa hwebi o se hwe o mo bo hwema ye adwuma ye ka asema ne to Ghana for tim wie no ye betna polling station ehwenye e ma ye ni ko ho se the Supreme Court kire ye no se wo bo wo ye wadwuma ye wo polling station e kika won kunta bo ho a bibia si ani sa na ye wie bu kunta listen you know
okay.
And the Busomo national chairman, no, yeah, Ishiamu, no, say, Sabri, no, director of elections, Busan and Kunta. Oh, my young Kuntabia. Oh, my young Kuntabia, only money to so, Yabosh, the Mary, the two Sika Petimunti, Electoral Commission, and VBBA. Electoral Commission, Supreme Court, Akachi, and say, Omu Yabem. Would when it told to some be Yabem, Mama, on Sabisifum. And Untina, register omo aware no sa register na be ye omo mpena 2012 register na NDC mpena register na chinchinia gise no yetimi di nkunim eburu 1 million votes two omasi Ghana for no two omo no eyemre ya o omo renfi
okay
no masa akofa sa nipa no ene mo hu se nipa na tente vote ya neto wontimi nya adwuma no that's wontimi nya adwuma no chinchinia mo amuti opposition yenya mo mamu nse kuru no if the nipa na makofa aba no wontimi nya adwuma o twa mo ho a se ma anya de yekadia ejafetom ma anya de yekadia ya be shikuro no ma anya de yekadia moja be hwiagu enti yenta ho ma NDC fo nse kuru no to mo nkwa na ye bema yenta ho ma NDC fo nya de omo pe se chinchinia register abranko mo nkwa ye di nkwa womunti ase ana wo ma hyeda ye wo ma bi nti womunti ase nipa na omde ne ba no nkugu na omde bedi
okay ana mo abi ma me no ase sana wa onim no moye mienu deda na wati ase se enya dia open the banter enti wo kan ase mu wi ya de besi me da ase pi YB me da ase sami
Amelia
yeah sami me da ase se we gina so in fact we gina so acha kakra but ma membra wo ho MPP for say they don't need the Electoral Commission to win an election or to rig an election. One man ye Juma Ghana for you di dance here. Say Juma o my no. I don't be kunim automatic. And to omu here easy. Omu dem kraba over 1.3 million egu school Juma o my omu bo bebre. And to Ghana for one better about the amomo. And to all this noise you are making about voters register near na near the no. It's neither here nor there. Sami.
See the midas. Na menchia achifu nina Nijina humana so metie the MPP Communications Director Ekama asamu a mibisa me hono se nti MPP for omanum na keka omuntia omaba abonten ebe ka asem we bia na senko man kebia nkade na nke ebeba because you mo kan nyina na ye mogo asa ye press conference na ye no kra no mo paper o mo ho akwa ye counter press conference you know man tie and o mo akwa set your questions and o mo de o mo answers a emfa kwam na ene nsemu a ye dia tudwa no eni twaka bia o mo de aba abonte enti nsemu a ya abo abia nsemu a ne bi before kekakeke why no more respond to what are they responding to? What are they responding to? Some more can so fast one saying. Who is even disputing those issues? So, Obi Abamonte, the data, facts and figures, empirical evidence, Abekasa. I wouldn't be can Kawanutum Kasa by force. And yet Bibiana was would defend it. Kawanutum go and study what we have put out. Now who will respond to be what ya ba? Na say who say you dim come. Na dey baby omo na media. E ye mogo etie for vanche omo. But what is the issue? Asem wa ye ka nyina ne say. NI a kenete fu na da no. E se o mampenya kufuado officer say. EC a Jimensa ene da no. Omo ka bom say 2020 about when da ya nim no. Omu be wiem e dia mo mampenye kufuado na se wo tie ni a fa wen dis ya wo ya to nchen fa wen pipi ya wo ya to nchen fa wo pet ya wo to nchen na wo die tie nchirichiri mu amede be se nto asumu a CNDC hu se to asumu na ye nyina ya dwen oman ne ho ne ye pesa abato da ya nini pere yo ye adwuma na abato ni mu da ho na eye free fair transparent se na be ya chinyagi dia ma results no wa na ye nyina ya ka no krewu CJ ya send the say ya sem we dikan and say in 2018 Mami Jimensa kwamrashe bidwem e ho na Ghana for ya na msifo nyina wo during the budget year and ye bisa and say madam Ghana card ya NI for asate eyi me pamacho ye begina so dia twere din e dia to aba 2020 na asemu Jimensa ni EC4 ka kire ma so bidwafo ne say 2020 abato na ye beto no Ghana card and come na Ghana card body sɛ isifoɔ bɛdwen ho sɛ yɛde bɛyɛ abatoɔ koraa no a ɛbɛyɛ 2024 enti isi di ɔmo ho ɔmo data ɔmo de bɛyɛ adwuma enti ɛnya de a Ghana card paa deɛ 2020 abato yi yɛde ba bɛyɛ adwuma ɛnyɛ mmɛ na meka yɛ ɛyɛ Jimensa a wɔda isi ano ɛna ka na mmarahyɛ bɛdwa number 1 number 2 nansi a ɛkyerɛkyerɛ baa ho sɛ yɛnyɛ new voters register saa na isi foɔ ka ɛna yɛso yɛ ne CSOs bebree ɛka sɛ Ghana ɛwɔ register a ɛho te na adeɛ no sɛ yɛ ayɛnkora no enti new voters register ɛwɔ hia yɛso advance yɛ arguments no sɛ wobɛkae a isi foɔ ɔmo IT experts no ɔmo yɛ PowerPoint presentation bi sɛ technical reasons why ntia Ghana yɛhia new voters register ɔmo yɛ document no ɔmo hyia nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ bi presente kyerɛ ɔmo hyia CSOs presente ma ɔmo ɛno na ɔmo de ayɛ ɔmo arguments nyinaa my job online kɔ publish saa technical document no CJ no yɛ sure sɛ wɔkae sɛ wokɔ check saa technical document ni mu a isifoɔ no ankasa bisa ɔmo question ebi mo se yɛba bɛyɛ new register na data na ɛwɔ hɔ dada kyɛ sɛ ɔmo a ɛwɔ ɔmo din dada ɛwɔ abatoɔ nwoma ni mu no yɛato ne nyinaa twene na yɛasan so atwerɛ ne foforɔ na ɛyɛ mpa na ɛnya mpa ɛna ɔmo ankasa ma answer sɛ ɛnya mpa na new register na ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ no ɔmo wɔ yɛ a yɛdi wɔ abatoɔ nwoma ni mu no yɛ data dada ɛno nti no sɛ wodi wɔ abatoɔ nwoma ni mu a deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ ara ne sɛ wode wo existing voters ID card bɛkɔ baabi a yɛtwerɛ din no sɛ yɛhwɛ wo existing voters ID card no so a yɛbɛhu wo biological data nyinaa wo maame de sɛn wo papa de sɛn wo te he na ne nyinaa no yɛde ahyɛ afidie no mu bio na wo data a yɛbɛteki no foforɔ ɛyɛ wo fingerprint because ɛno na ɔmo ntumi transport into the new system ɛno na ɔmo kɔ keka sɛ key bi da so ɔmo ni password ne deɛ keka ho no vendor locking na yɛasan so atwa wo mfonyi wɔ w'anim ne deɛ no na yɛ facial recognition si yɛ nipa kyɛ wonkae saa asɛm wei hello
saa me tie pa
wonkae saa asɛm wei a isifoɔ ka yɛ okay ɛno kɔfa wo mo technical document na it is there nti ɔmo kasi so pi sɛ they will use the existing register the existing voters ID card ɔmo nto ntwene wodi wɔ mu a just present it or biological data intact your facial recognition any fingerprint into system no kwa be fast okay see the way they wo ye de ni se coronavirus aba tie nyina ye boa hwe kwan a ye betumi afa so afa no promesi bre yan kwoti a easy for the mrafo for CI akomra se bedwa ya mo political party bi amane ya ni obi ane ho ama IPAC meanwhile Ghana bakosemu etore di afarija mpenso ni Charlotte Nsem mpenso CI ne kom ma se bedwe mu a ye te committee NPP for NDC for other small parties for na ye nyina ya dwen ho draft ya die enti ebekọ parliament no etinye die bia ne den ema ho we die ya nyo obi ade nkire ya ma obi amane ya fasuma se de akọ parliament ekodu parliament no so no ye wo bibia e fa no pre-laying se CI enya komna se bedwam ne ye layer parliament fo ntimi nyi bi firi mo ntimi fa di nka ho it impempi no omudi kan de call parliamentary committee on subsidiary legislation omude nimu mra nimu na se mistakes bi wo mu a omakora no kwa ansa na ya lay because when you lay we are you too late you can't correct anything I guess I want to draw we the parliamentary committee on subsidiary legislation no kwa e hoso anko enti yeti ye na wo mra yi mu a ma me ji mensa ni panyifo person budi sie ye ntia IPAC political party omo amoya mane se ye de mra foforo ekọ mra se bedwa e na ye kodo so mra nim tie pontie mi yo ye ko hwe mra nim a Ghana card na if the force ye nfanto aba 2020 no ye de akọ hye mra nim If for say ye ba be new register. Now wa open new card no. Eye enkrata mienu pe na wo betimi dia ba e kire se wo ye Ghana di o betwere wudi. Enkrata mienu ne de Ghana card. Ye to so mienu ana passport. Na se wo ni Ghana card, only passport a. Mami di mensa say, I just say wo kopo obi a ono obe register for new card ni bi. No a guarantee amount. Nipa mienu no mo ma guarantee amount. And now we compare commissioner of oath and a magistrate will croak. Now what swear affidavit. And you say that braka. He said, "Yamaya many that too much." Because they kind who say Ghana card you found in 2022, they are the same anymore day. They are also me Ghana card. Nipa do not say the wobby. Passport, Nipa do not say the wobby. Birth certificate, I don't know Ghana for the one now wobby no. What is birth certificate? But Ghana has an instant Ubenya passport, unya birth cert. And some Ubenya Ghana card, unya birth cert. If you see then, and a Ghana card, or the birth cert, Nekoje, and not the Amodi Assembly. Passport, I would the birth cert, Nekoje, what the Assembly, birth cert, there was a one. If you then a voter's ID card, what is the one yeah. And only at to about 2012 Mahama, 2016 year man Penny Kufuado. Yet there are assembly elections in every year referendum at creative regions. Wow card, I will say you must say. So we may new register we will use it, whether limited or new register, we will use it. But then when the existing voters ID a free list anymore. Abragana how will be able to open card and part of a voters ID. And see ye can't say we yank the movie. When you trust ya you will say, ah, you will ye no. I have about 4 moments of movie, and I mean, I'm mentioned with the India. Share Ghana card, I can't want them. And now you for now, Cassan, if you move, say, Omudeta, say, Nipa, there's 17.3 million, and already 18 years and above. And once a chill mudding, not Omunya Ghana card. 17 million, or the emphasis are 18 years and above. And pay Nipa do or much would be on more card Nipino. Omoye 6.5 million, or more 18 years and above. Because more much Omoya card near best 7 million. But what say 15, 16, 17 years in the few more, or more 18 years and above, or with me to above, and no more Ghana card, Omoye 6.5 million. Meanwhile, Omodo do 17 million actually. It gets over 10 million people are 18 years and above.
Okay, but Sami on no Metier Professor Tifa and Ranumre on Omoma register and Swaman Sanka on card and no Chimu say Casino will be our register be on the card ready. Nanka and yet COVID-19 yeah. And they are going back to the field. Nejuma for come back to the field. Meba Sami. Akwachiche obia my card biano they will be back to maybe a register na wabejo card empo se registration ni twamua at all NIA district offices one bega cards no ho enti wa register na bia uja ho to kwan obeba no na card no ho enti hu say explanation no answer sa issues ya mo raise here
okay anajo man asem.
Oh,
they all can an argument.
And more accusing good.
What the 3 years and I Ghana card registration? Who catch a Ghana card? No more in 1 year. Or my penny who got to pay Ghana card in 2017. Catch in 1 year Ghana Nibia Benabi. But I take it 3 years and over. Only 6.5 million out of a population of 19 million. That is 15 years and above. And Omenya card maybe. If you see about such actually the next month, June. Your coronavirus in Brimu. Restrictions required you new for at the 3 years, 6.5 million pen almost aka over there. Okay, now what you back one now, but so me back over the time at 10 million. Now we some common sense. We are your common sense. You can do it. ABM, nipa 10 million, 10, in fact, 10.6 million, or 18 years and above, we card maybe. And no money any actual mudia or more or more card so munya card. If you more why and children would you cry? Let me explain it to you. 19 million, you can't say 19 million people normally 15 years and above or more so for much 11 million. And what is free more 11 million minus 19 million? You have 8 million people and 11 million or much no. It was 6.5 million per and almost a card. Almost 18 years and above. Or the 15 years and above on the crack up 7 million. Out of 11 million, 4 million so any card. Into 4 million on more chain on my card. So what about the gap between 11 million and 19 million now? Almost the Yanchere would you grab almost your better would be that on my card. And the argument now, you know, please among one Tiasen will be confused. But some of us, research, we know what we are talking about. When
you say, and I human
were very important. My view or my phone.
But I'm found this man.
So, Ghana card, no. Nipa, the Ghana card is not available because over 10.6 million people are. Omo coin say, Omo Tuaba, Omo Nibi. 10.6, maybe more. Or my children would be the card they my if you must why and children would cry. It is even a Wuja best setter would be a wobbly no. Wuja voters ID card and if I don't in a wobbly. Now it's a Ghana card I know NIA or catch a 7 year 2020 about one. And on a young farm parametry in a new register. When you know say card name available. Passports, Nipe will be Ghana just 2 million. And so Nipe was here children would be more to about this year 17 million. It's then I will use passport. Ghana any part of send a passport. Now also where you driver's license a free, where you birth cert a free, where you voted ID card and only other two Abama who for the rain by over 1 million votes. If for one Casamosia you credible and saying you have to about a assembly members unit committee for where you are not free. I prefer another institution there. That institution in the Ghana card on one card, young can be. We have we common sense. Will you do that?
Well,
and I said, even Ghana card, no more, you know, and my vocabulary, oh, young fan to a bar, dream free order. Now, wouldn't say a better benching, even Ghana card, Naquano. Said I, don't do MPP stronghold. And I'm with a crabby, NDC stronghold. Maybe, and I force I say Ghana card, almost the same time, or voter regional, NDC stronghold. Obuko voter region would infidie 900 ne koye 900 e ko so mo de ko trading na yen call for no timi ko di lie so mo pega na card e bi mo da ho da ba ko da miero da mienza elu so da no de bufu okọ na kurasi a o medi obu free ho a omo ne na ne buko upper east upper west NDC strongholds Master, upper east and upper west as I'm talking to you 93% of the population in the Ghana card. Or more, I want to talk about Upper East and Upper West. More than 93% of the Ghana card. Need now NDC stronghold.
Okay.
Or we do Ashanti region, I NPP stronghold. Now would you see the 5,000? They said your voter region for the Nipa. Upper East, Upper West for the Nipa. The moment you 900. You could do Ashanti region 5,000 in Fidian, you go trading. And now, what the trading is on the other now, watching you work at home. Yeah, there are millions of people doing the same thing in Eastern region. To the sense of coronavirus, they also crowd almost of trading. Now, why is that here? We are NDC stronghold. Nipa ka create nipa na Ghana card no. But NDC stronghold they nipa de bria. Person will be bemua. Will you want us to use this Ghana card to do voters register?
Okay.
Where are common sense?
Okay.
I'm sending in an say. Ye pese abato ni muda ho MPP for so ma ye adwuma o ma manipa be 100,000 o de yanka na say 1 million ko ma mo bo adwuma obi a ne o mo nkonto kwa o mti to abia wo Ghana ha o mo be rene ne hands down ye ni problem enti ye nkoto aba no fentin obi anwiem say ye the voters ID card to aba eyi president Kufuado voters ID card is if work and say yeah, over your limited registration, new register, you free who will be able to present it. That said, yes, I say you trade deal with no one, they be under your prime amount for present your birth certificate.
identify almost all Ghana for. Now, also be a new register. Say new register, say limited registration. You go to a come once. But oh yeah, what the best register now? See, I still say Ghana need you only passport, only Ghana card.
Okay.
So the best set by between only passport, only Ghana card, or the existing voters ID card by between. Oh yes, sir. Obiani with the problem.
Sammy.
Now what will be start phoning in a film? Omonko your commissioner of votes and Omonko Pobi man guarantee no more. Master. What person woman is difficult for more people to register. Okay. In the long run,
okay,
you will disenfranchise them. Yet they have an inalienable right, the right to vote under Article 42. And the whole year, about to run our person will win. And I can. MPP for say, another position. Debate.
Okay, Sammy Jensi.
Ya mamu data region by region. Say Ghana card would be 900 and a co-voter region. More than 5,000. Ako Ashanti region. Munchile muni say.
Okay. Okay, Sammy.
Upper West, Upper East, more than 93% of the population did Omuni card. Yabwa. Samosi Yabwa. What about data? Now maybe I'm only na me am okay keke. MPP for me can't Ghana for say. Who are birth certificate that would Ghana ni? Who are voters register would Ghana ni?
Sammy Jensi.
Justify the exclusion of
Sammy Jensi.
You're right.
Me that say. Sammy, my friends here prepare me. I mean, we bit me to transfer on another platform. Me that say. Sammy Jensi is the national communications officer of the NDC. And meneno atwetwen koma. Well, on to some of your comments on Facebook. Nipadodo na share Facebook. We say Pamensha baku ba na mesrepa. Okay. SC Esther or CJ. Sammy Jenfi is not ready to finish, so allow him to talk. That's why you called him. Okay, AC Medase. Kingsley Afo say hello. On this Ghana card, can you please ask the authorities when April salary will be coming? Oh. Kingsley. Honestly, yeah. Ya can Ghana card as no Zubisa say Nabena April.
We are so be when you hear no CJ. When you hear no.
Idris Zakari, or say you people are talking about new voters register when Corona has taken over everything in Ghana. You guys should have been talking about how will we what will we do to minimize the increase of coronavirus. And Idris Zakari, the Abba-ish White. I'll say only MPP will say when we already data for years. We munao papa. Jeff Williams. I'll say Sami Jenfi, tell us why NDC is ignoring new voters register. How can new generation vote without register? And Jeff Williams and so Ediaba. Okay.
Abante yaba. CJ, the Ghanaian Times tell one Minister ya washapo muden so say sa wonhye nose mask ni bia men kasa men sere men mowa adwum kora de ene no wase no men todwum sa de ni bi nhya wano a enkasa ensere entodwum wo de nantesa ye mum na kɔ if says na chese onipa kora wa gye onya nipa a wo bekum nipa ene yese se wo hansi a enyi wo bɔwa enyi
Bogum
ye bibia gum ade ne sa na wo se ye hye no eti na the Ghanaian Times the ho education bi aba ana swafo
anim ho nche ho no mi eye pa
ya cheche ne kama swafo a wo hwe wo mayi ensrahwensem so se mu amubo sese mu ko bie bi aba na so nim na nipa kro bie no wo chew se kwia edie ni ani na aye wo eti chinada CJ dey what's up baby Aranti.
Sorry.
Aranti.
Madam Fubi say. Pabra. Osi news na buy no. Statement na no padi no. E no won wo kenkan ye. Madam say nyumre dia.
Nyumre dia wo kenkan.
Njo na padi na.
Aranti bi wo mpotem ho. Anapadi ne ba ya no okọ cafe yeah, photocopy.
That's right.
No, the farm na tadi MC.
And you person say what a kwasi demand no.
But
one minister etin ye di kan ba say monnom na mammo wo no mo
Abrante no akata no banata de ko gina drinking spot e ti obom wo fa Offer BM na
Nipa na oton san na
Lovely.
o se hwe na o de o ti dia also na bo matade mu no
Minister ne de na me kana no pen de monya ma di se
ano pa dia na no bo
ama fa ho chire wo mu
PMs ya PMs me wona no kasa me se PMs ya tum
me se de nkrofo kan
me se wona no kasa me se PMs
Abraham pa na da so yi
PMs twa mu twi ho no
ya tum
ano pa na ye twi ho afefe
na
wo ayi man kasa
na no me na manim ho me ni bo ha na be in the house forever you me hwe obi anu maka me se akwa we PMC ebetum saa wo esikumanfo na asese o magu o no
esikuma
abi amame no ase mame no ase na yemfa na yes
me sansa na meko mame mani na ko happy birthday
and birthday oh
and then birthday
oh nice
wow
that pampa me still shining
wow
happy
birthday yeah
my ever once na my writer motors na poso wa mu kwaya sene na fei Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk, latex foam na fei Societe Generale SG Ghana, the future is you, Agbeve Herbal Center Madaroma and yede na poso yede ebrel Kobisto na trase okumankra bakwa waka ensroja edura enyono
Forever, ne mau ahu sepe.